Ian Harrison is an American singer. He is famous for participating as a contestant in NBC's singing reality show The Voice Season 22. Ian Harrison sings The Night We Met on The Voice Blind Auditions 2022. Ian Harrison walked out on stage and quickly impressed his potential coaches with his soulful singing chops and earning a "That's a Cool Voice" compliment from returning coach Gwen Stefani out of the gate. Harrison's impressive pipes had coach Blake Shelton hitting his button 1 minute into his blind audition rendition of Lord Huron's The Night We Met, with John Legend and Gwen Stefani following suit just a few seconds later. Harrison ultimately decided to go on Stefani's team. He said he hasn't performed live many times but wanted to make the next step in his career. Ian Harrison was born and brought up in Lewis Center, Ohio. Ian is currently attends classes in his hometown at Columbus State University. He tends bar between classes and works on his music, which runs a gamut of styles from old to country to pop. When he inherited his father's guitar as well as a series of notes in each sketch, he took it as a sign to pursue his own dream of becoming a musician. Harrison has a girlfriend named Madison. In December of last year, he wished her a happy one-year anniversary, so the couple may end up celebrating 2 years together during the female finale rounds of this year's competition. Harrison's into package to The Voice, he revealed that he had been profoundly impacted by the death of his father, who tragically took his own life when Ian was only